Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing for you a juice, carrot juice, fruit juice for the flu season. Flu season is in now, so you need to put in the vitamin C so that your body can fight back. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a carrot juice smoothie, carrot juice today. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate you all. Okay, so remember to follow me at Ann Booth and all social, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. Follow me guys, okay, because you don't want to miss out on some of these good recipes. Okay, so let's dive right into the juice video. So guys, from my voice you know that I am fighting some flu symptoms, so I decided to to make a natural juice for myself to help with the vitamin C. So I come up with carrot juice. Okay, so I have some carrots, roughly 4 large carrots cut up in this bowl. I also have some tangerine that I will be using. Yes, vitamin C is full in those. And I have my ginger and my lemon in here. I have a little bit of sugar because you know some people don't want to drink the juice without any sugar, so I'm trying to accommodate everyone. Okay, so yes, and then I have some water, spring water. Yeah, and I have my bowl, strainer, everything. Yes, strainer is here. My strainer. So you know the big one going to strain. Yes, the first strain, and then the small one will take out any residue that is left behind. Okay, so remember the strainer is important because if you don't strain the juice properly, you will have a lot of grain in there. So yeah, so maybe you have to go strain it more than once in order to get rid of those grains. Okay, and I have my blender, so I'm gonna get started. Right, so I'm gonna add the carrot to the blender. A lot of carrots. Like, but it's too much carrot, guys. Look. So maybe I'm going to just throw it some. So just use basically that amount. Save the rest for next time. Yes. I'm gonna cut up my ginger. These ginger over here not as strong as our Caribbean ginger, but yeah, we need a lot of ginger to fight this, whatever this is. I'm gonna add if you have one of these guys, you can add it and squeeze out your lemon, your lime. Yeah, get rid of the juice quickly. So quickly that went. Yes, very handy, very handy. Yeah, so juicy, so juicy. See, they're so juicy guys. No unsqueezing around here. Yeah, so you know how to do these already. Some of them, sometimes you get them in the supermarket, they are big, and the next time you get them, they are very tiny. But they are very good. Packed with vitamin C. Okay? Very good. Just a little bit of sugar, not anything to talk about. Adding water. So you can also use a juicer, guys, instead of a blender where the juicer give you all the juice. Yeah, natural juice, no water. Okay, but I'm using the blender today. Alright? Because I want enough juice, okay? The juicer, when you use the juicer, you have to buy a lot of fruits, plenty ingredients for you to get a good amount of juice, okay? Well, when you use water with these, which is not the best way, but it is natural and good than the one you buy on the outside. You're gonna blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. My carrot juice is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna do the hardest part of it now. I'm gonna strain it. Yes, I'm going to strain it, guys. So here's my strainer. I'm gonna strain it now, guys. So thick. So rich too. Maybe I can juice it another time. Yes, because it's so rich. Yeah, can give it another squeeze. So rich. Yeah. Actually, use one bottle of water. So I can add another 3/4 bottle. It's the natural juice season. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna see it all clean. I'm gonna try and juice it a second. Okay. So rich. Look at it, guys. So sometimes you have a carrot in the fridge and it's spoiling. And we're too lazy to make something with it. Instead of eating it too, you can drink it. Remember when we used to grow up, we used to make carrot juice with milk and dragon? What nice. Yeah, I must try one of that one day. Carrot juice with dragon and milk. Yeah, so good. Yeah. Those are the back in the days. Now guys, I'm gonna use the smallest strainer. The smallest. Doing this. See, it still have residue. So that's what I'm saying. That's what I said. Make sure you strain and strain until there is none. So I'm gonna strain it another time. second time it's better. Don't even need this second. Right. See it, guys? We're gonna taste it now. So guys, there you have it. My carrot juice is ready. So I'm gonna glass this. So guys, I have 2 cube ice in there. It's cold, you don't need it to be very cold. Worse, if you're having the flu, you don't want to drink anything too cold, okay? So here you go. Look how rich this is. Look at it. So rich. And it's made by Anne's Apple Place, my natural carrot juice. So good. So good. The color is so beautiful. So good, guys. So refreshing. Yes. So go ahead and try this cold flu season juice. You will love it. Okay. So tasty. And a little sugar give it a little taste. It's not sweet. Not sweet at all. I can taste the lemon and the ginger. Yes, very nice. Very nice, guys. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. Until my next video. Bye.